Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica, and today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got my 3-year-old daughter for Easter. I already did a video on when I got my older daughter. She's 10. I did them separately, so if you want to see that video, I will have an iCard come across now for you somewhere up here, and you can go check that out if you want. So before I get into the basket, I was just going to let you know that this is a collab with my good friend Lindsey from Lindsey's Life and Style. I have collabed with her a couple times before. I just love her, and I know that you guys will too. A lot of you love both of our channels that already know Lindsey, but if you don't, you should definitely go check out her channel. She has a little girl named Ava. She's so precious. If you think Kinsley's cute, you have to go over and see Ava. She's just adorable, but she's going to be showing you what she got Ava for Easter, so you get some more ideas if this wasn't enough for you. Okay, so for my girls for Easter, I pretty much just get them things that they need. So like spring clothes, summer clothes. I usually will get them their swimsuit for that year, new shoes, things like that. I do get a couple of fun items as well, but most of the stuff that I get them are things they already need and I would already be buying. So I just go ahead and throw them in their Easter basket and say Happy Easter. Okay, so I'm just gonna dig right on in and show you what I got Kinsley. This is Kinsley's Easter basket. I got it from a website called Viv and Lou. I will link it for you below, but I did get these 4 years ago. Madeline has a matching one, so if you can't find them, I'm sorry. It was a while ago, but that is the website, so you could check and see. But yeah, that's where I got it. And I love these Easter baskets. They're so cute and functional. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you what I stuffed in here. By the way, there's a lot more than what's in this basket. It just won't fit. First thing I picked up were these little plastic eggs. The girls like to play Easter egg hunt and stuff like that. So I got them each a pack in their favorite color. I like these because they're like ombre, and I got them at Walmart, and I'm holding the thing upside down, but they were 88 cents. So I picked up these little water shoes for Kinsley. I had gotten her a pair last year, and they ended up being like her most worn shoes. We wore them all the time just to play outside if we went to the pool, and we like to go floating down the river a lot too, so I would like her to wear little shoes so her feet don't get hurt by the rocks. So I picked these up from Walmart, and I'll tell you how much they were. They were $7.98. So these are also from Walmart, and they're just some silver sandals. These are so cute, these little gladiator sandals. These are also from Walmart, believe it or not, and they were $12.98. I love Walmart and their shoe selection for the little kids and even adults. They have really great shoes, so I got some really cute shoes for Kinsley there this year. So these were a last-minute decision. I just happened upon these in Toys R Us, and I couldn't pass them up because they're so cute. They were $16.99, so they were a little more than Walmart shoes, but they're so cute, and I haven't seen any like this anywhere, so I couldn't pass them up. So I got Kinsley this little toothbrush. It is Firefly Ready Go brush, and it is My Little Pony, and you can push this button here, and let's see, and it lights up green, blinks green the entire time you're supposed to be brushing your teeth, and then it will blink yellow, and that means almost done, and then red means stop. So I thought that was really cute to kind of teach them how to brush their teeth properly, and she loves My Little Pony. The brush head is like rainbow color too, so that's really cute. But yeah, I picked this up at Target. I can't remember how much I spent on it, but she needed a new toothbrush, and this one's fun, so why not? So I got some Sidewalk chalk and bubbles. This is basic. Every year I will get them these items because they love to go outside and play when it's warm, and we love to draw with chalk, and Kinsley loves bubbles. All I've heard about for the last 2 weeks is bunny peeps, and so I found some pink bunny peeps for Kinsley. So she is getting these, and hopefully she likes them. I didn't want to get the big pack because I don't know how it's going to go over, but she has been begging, so here they are. Then I just picked her up a little, she loves the Mash'ems. You guys probably know what I'm talking about if you have young kids. She loves to watch YouTube unboxings and this and that, and she has a lot of My Little Pony ones, but she doesn't have a Cars one, and she loves playing with cars, so I found this one, and I'm going to put that in there. So I got 2 more toy items, and then the rest is clothing, but I found this little baby doll at Target, and I couldn't pass it up because of the way she sucks her bottle, so I'm going to try and show you how she works if it'll let me. So I found her, and let's see, it says press belly, Okay, she giggles. Will it let me do her bottle? I don't know. I did one in the store. Why aren't you working? So watch her mouth. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Let's see. Go. Drink your bottle. I don't know if you can see on camera, but she actually, like, sucks it. So I thought Kinsley would really like that, so I picked that up at Target. And the next thing was really last minute. I hadn't planned on getting her anything else, but we were at a friend's house, and her daughter had one similar to this, and Kinsley was obsessed and has been asking for one ever since. So I found this one, and I know she's going to be super excited. I can't wait for her to see it. It's this little bounce-on unicorn. You have to blow it up. It's kind of like a ball, like, material, so, like, rubbery or whatever that is, and she can bounce around and ride on it. It's really cute. It was 20 bucks at Toys R Us, so I'm super excited to see her reaction when she sees this. Okay, so the rest is clothing, so I'm going to just show you what I got. I think I got a lot of this at Target and maybe Walmart. I'm not sure, but I know a lot of it's from Target. So she loves giraffes, and this had the mommy and the baby giraffe. I got it at Target. That is super cute. And I found these little leggings at Target. They're the Cat and Jack, and they were $5. So I got her this little bathing suit at Target. It wasn't my absolute favorite, but I really wanted to get her one for her Easter basket, and they were kind of picked over, so I'll end up getting her another one probably from Old Navy or something like that. But it is cute. So it's the Cat and Jack brand. If you're wondering how much it was $11.99. This is super wrinkly, and I'm not sure why. Maybe because it's been crammed in a bag, but this was a little outfit, and I thought it was really cute. I love this olive green, so I got her this. So this one that I'm about to show you is my absolute favorite. I cannot wait for her to wear it. I want one for me and Madeline. This little off-the-shoulder blue jean romper. How cute is this? Let's see how much this one was. This was $15.99, and it is by Genuine Kids from Oshkosh. So, yep, I got her that. Just some more leggings. Another little t-shirt from the Cat and Jack that they have. They're like $5, but I liked how it was glittery, so got that. And then I got this little tank top. I love this mustard color, and I think it's so cute that they're bringing the mustard color out for this spring. It's usually a fall color, but at least in Target, I've seen this mustard color in a lot of the clothing, even the adult clothing, so I'm really loving that because I love that color, and so I got her that tank. And then the last thing I got her is her little Easter dress, but she's probably going to end up wearing it before Easter because I am going to take pictures of the girls. If you saw Madeline, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen Madeline recently had a dance for Valentine's Day, and she wore a really pretty pink dress. So I found this one, and it matches so good. I could not pass it up, so I'm going to have them wear them, and I'm going to take their Easter pictures. But this is what it looks like. It is so adorable with this little toil, or however you say that, toil, I think that's right, bottom, and it's really puffy, and then it's kind of longer, like it has longer pieces and then shorter pieces, and then the top has glitter and little flowers, and it's just absolutely adorable, and it matches Madeline's dress so well, so I cannot wait to take their pictures in this dress. Alright, that's all that I got Kinsley for Easter this year. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope it gave you some ideas. Don't forget to go check out Lindsey's channel and see what she got her daughter for Easter. And if you're coming over, again, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you will decide to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!